Number 6, so if you want to build a pod type gym in your office, super efficient use of space, be able to run both classes and rehab, the number 6 tip, bands. Man, the other thing I like about these, I can just slide them over. All right, bands. You're gonna need skinny bands. You're gonna need thick bands. You're gonna need multiple thick bands. You're gonna start assembling bands like crazy, but they have a ton of uses. They can make things more difficult. They can make things more challenging. But get a selection of bands. And if you're gonna be doing pull-ups with people, like we do, you know, and a guy my size comes in your office, you're probably gonna need some super thick ones, right? The only tip I have on bands, get them wherever you want, but always buy from the same provider, because it's tough to tell your patient, hey, grab a red band. Well, look, there's a thick red band and a thin red band. They're going to be confused. That's because I'm mixing and matching suppliers of bands. If you want them all to be always the same color, get them from one supplier. Now, this is one of those things you're going to replace them all the time. They break, they stretch, they wear out. Man, they snap sometimes, but par for the course, you're going to need a ton of bands. One of my favorite types of bands for rehab is this. It's called the FMT band, or lovingly called the Gray Cook band. I think this is the best tool in rehab, but this band alone is like 50 or 60 bucks. I would travel with these, throw it in my backpack. I've used the heck out of these. They're amazing. Highly recommend you get a selection of these for more rehab than exercise, but they are absolutely incredible. They have these loops for feet, an anchor point, everything. Absolutely amazing. Get tons of bands, all right? Thanks so much for checking out these videos. I hope they're useful. We'll cover things like rehab, exercise, business model, progressions, layout, everything else that helps you build a clinic. So if you're interested, you can click here, there, to get more videos just like this.